I heard once an interview with a Holocaust survivor. He said, for me, there is no connection between mercy to God. Can you tell him you're wrong? He, as a Holocaust survivor, that as a child lived in the sewer of Poland or whatever, that all of his family been destroyed in front of his eyes, that he felt the bitterness of darkness in a way that we cannot understand, and he's telling you, after survived the Holocaust, in horrible poverty, lost all of his family, made Aliyah, came to Eretz Israel, got married after a few years, worked, had only one child with his wife. That child went and joined the army and died in the age of 18. Great. Now ask him. They asked him, did you say Kaddish on your son? He said, never. No way. Why? Because the Kaddish is saying that God is mercy. And I cannot say that. That's a lie. Not from my point of view. That's what he's saying. Can you argue with him? No, listen. Hakol letovah. It's all for the good. What are you talking about? Life is great. Are you kidding me? Can you argue with him? You can never argue with him. That's what he saw. Literally, that's what he saw. You cannot argue with what that he saw. You must understand that this is part of the exile. This is part of the darkness. So now that person is saying to you, listen, I'm upset with Hashem. I don't know what you're talking about, which religion and which group or cult you attach yourself to. I couldn't care less. I'm angry, I'm upset. If there is a creator, I'm only angry with him. So I'm saying to you now, do you think that in the discussion, in the world to come, after 120 years, the creator will stand in front of that person and gonna show him how wrong he is? Do you think that really God will stand in front of that person and gonna justify himself? To kill him completely? To tell him it was your fault that I killed your parents? It was your... What? You think that that's God? If that's God, take my kippah, I don't want to serve that God. That's not God. That's the most evil person in the world. To stand in front of the most poorest person in the world and to show him how he's the one to be blamed. What? And people really think that that's God. People really serve that God. Those are foreign idols. That's not God.
My name is RDMC with the Muna Project, all the nations with me. Close your eyes, just breathe, see the truth. Don't chase the fake world, don't buy the fake news. Be yourself, your own true self. Don't let no one take our natural wealth. See the good, no fear, no despair. Cherish who that you are and share. Source of power from an endless spring. Light of courage in yourself, yeah.
They can kick you down to the ground. Hold yourself up till you are, put up your crown. King of the creator, holy soul inside. Focus on the spiritual and you shall find